Hello boys, welcome in KVR Academy online math class. Today we shall learn class 3rd maths. Our topic will be subtract of fractional number. In first questions, we subtract. Here first question 7 upon 15. Subtract 7 upon 15 from 18 upon 15. Mostly students confused in this type of questions because first boys write 7 upon 15 minus 18 upon 15 means mostly boys subtract 18 upon 15 from 7 upon 15, but it is absolutely wrong. Here our question says subtract 7 upon 15 from 18 upon 15. So we write 18 upon 15 because 18 upon 15 is greater than 7 upon 15. So first we write 18 upon 15, then we write 7 upon 15. After subtracting 7 upon 15 from 18 upon 15, we see both fraction 18 upon 15 and 7 upon 15 are like fractions because its denominator will be same. Any fractions which have same denominator called like fractions. We can subtract it very easily without making like fraction or equivalent fraction. We can easily subtract only numerator and get our answer. So we subtract 18 minus 7 upon 15. After subtracting 7 from 18, we get 11. Our answer will be 11 upon 15. Means if we subtract 7 upon 15 from 18 upon 15, we get 11 upon 15. So 11 upon 15 is our answer. 2 upon 14 from 7 upon 40. In same process, first we write 7 upon 48, then we write 2 upon 48. Means 2 upon 14 subtract from 7 upon 14 8 because 7 upon 40 is greater than 2 upon 48. Here we see the denominator will the same the fraction, so we can say it is like fraction. In like fractions we can set easily the subtract of numerator. So we subtract 2 from 7, we get 5 upon 40 will be our answer of the subtractions. Here the question 5 upon 66 from 27 upon 66. So we write in the questions where the subtract questions write as from, we can take the other last number first and then subtract the first number. Here we subtract 27 upon 66 minus 15 upon 66. It is like fractions. So we can solve it easily process. We subtract 15 from 27. Here denominator will be 66. After subtracting the question 15 from 27, we get 12 upon 16. So 12 upon 66 will be our answer. Means if we subtracted 15 upon 66 from 27 upon 66, we get 12 upon 66. And question number D, 17 upon 74 from 39 upon 74. If we subtract 17 upon 74 from 39 upon 74, or we write 39 upon 74 minus 17 upon 74. Here both are the like fractions. In like fractions we can solve it easily only subtracting of the numerator of the both fractions. So we write 39 minus 17 upon 74. After subtracting 17 from 39, we get 22. So 22 upon 74 will be our fraction. After subtracting 17 upon 74 from 39 upon 74, we can solve this subtraction very easy. But in further class we learn the subtraction of the number which have not same denominator. In this type questions we can solve by 2 or 3 steps. First we make the given fraction as a like fraction. After making the like fraction, we can it easily subtract. So we can take 2 or 3 steps. After subtracting, we can see it is proper or improper fraction. If it is improper fraction, so we can it change it into the mixed fraction. If it is improper proper fraction, we cannot change it, it will be same. So we can class third subtraction of fraction easily can do, because it is mostly question of in this class will be the same denominator or like fraction subtraction. We can easy subtract only it subtract the denominator that we can get our answer.